Mailchimp is an American marketing automation platform and an email marketing service. Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties. The platform is a trading name of its operator, Rocket Science Group, an American company founded in 2001 by Ben Chestnut and Mark Armstrong, with Dan Kurzius joining at a later date. Wikipedia headquarters, Atlanta, Georgia, United States. Founded, 2001. Number of employees, 800. Founders, Ben Chestnut, Dan Kurzius, Mark Armstrong. Subsidiaries, LemonStand eCommerce Inc., Courier Holdings Limited, Sawa. Mailchimp is a favorite of many bloggers and small businesses because it was one of the first big email services to offer a completely free plan. Not only that, but Mailchimp has some excellent e-commerce and email marketing tools. How many emails, subscribers do you get for free? The free plan includes 10,000 emails per month for up to 2,000 subscribers. If you would like to upgrade to unlimited emails, it costs $10 per month. The catch is that you can only have up to 500 subscribers, which isn't the case for some alternatives. What makes this one of the best free email marketing services? The drag and drop builder, along with the beautiful templates, are some of the best in the business. You get landing pages. Mailchimp has tools for Instagram and Facebook ads and posts. Connect with tools like Shopify, Eventbrite, and Salesforce. The automation tools include options for abandoned carts, welcome campaigns, and product recommendations. A/B testing and segmentation make your emails more effective. Who should use it? We like Mailchimp for any small businesses and bloggers that appreciate great designs. It's also nice if you have an e-commerce store or plan on automating emails.